In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix search bar above messages in Outlook bug. If you are experiencing issues in Microsoft Outlook where the search bar appears in the wrong position, behaves inconsistently, or fails to return accurate results, this is usually caused by indexing problems or outdated application files. In this guide, we will go through a series of reliable fixes to restore proper search functionality and ensure everything works as expected. To begin, the first and most important step is updating Microsoft Office. Many search-related issues have already been addressed in newer versions, so keeping your system up to date often resolves the problem right away. Open Outlook on your computer, then go to the File tab. From there, select Office Account. In the Account section, look for Update Options, then choose Update Now. Allow the process to complete fully without interruption. If you do not see Update Options, your system may be managed through the Microsoft Store or Windows Update, so ensure Office is updated through those channels instead. Once the update is complete, restart Outlook and test the search function to check for improvements. Next, you will rebuild the Windows search index. This step helps ensure that Outlook content is properly cataloged. Open the Control Panel, then navigate to Indexing Options. From there, click Advanced, and in the Advanced Settings window, select Rebuild. This process recreates the entire search index for your system, including Outlook data. Depending on the size of your mailbox, it may take some time, and search results may appear incomplete while the rebuild is in progress. It is recommended to keep your computer turned on and active during this process. After that, you should check the indexing progress directly inside Outlook. Click into the search bar so the Search Tools menu appears. Then select Search Tools, followed by Indexing Status. This will show how many items are still being indexed. If the number is high, that is expected after a rebuild. Allow the process to continue until the count gradually reduces. Once indexing progresses, repeat the same check periodically using Search Tools and Indexing Status until the count reaches 0. At that point, Outlook search should be fully optimized. You can then test searches using different keywords, senders, and subjects to confirm everything is working accurately. If the issue still persists, the final step is repairing Office. Open Control Panel, go to Programs and Features, and select your Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365 installation. Click Change, then start with Quick Repair. This fixes most issues without needing an internet connection. If the problem continues, run Online Repair, which performs a deeper restoration and may require you to sign in again afterward. Once the repair is complete, reopen Outlook and test the search bar again to confirm everything is functioning normally. And that is the complete process. By updating Office, rebuilding the index, monitoring indexing status, and repairing Office when necessary, you can fix the search bar bug and restore accurate, stable search performance in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.